My name is Amit, and see, I am part of Modit's Freedom Investor Hub and the Blueprint course, which he has, wonderfully created. So basically, when it was COVID, I thought that it's the right time to learn something, and I was always keen to learn stocks. So basically, I had enrolled for a few courses. Fundamentals were there in some of the courses. You can learn about what stock market is all about and things like that. But nothing was so concrete, and having that description where you can actually earn money. They will leave you somewhere in the middle, and you still think that I have learned everything. I know the terms, I know the terminology, but I'm not sure what am I doing, how to invest. And moreover, Modit's course has actually given me, the right word he has used, the freedom is actually there in the course. Uh, when you start learning, it's not only about learning the things, he's practically telling you each and everything, and not only that, moreover, he's providing you the information that how you can have a recurring income from the investments that you make. No one, trust me guys, no one in any courses have actually told anything like this. They tell you that okay, you do investment for long term, and you keep thinking about 10 years or 20 years down the line, but no one actually tells you that how you actually earn your monthly income from the particular investment that you've been making. So Modit has been really, really helpful, and he has all the intelligence and all the knowledge that is required to be given, and change our lives basically. So this is one of the things. Secondly, every time you go into that Freedom Investor Hub and you go into his tutorials, you always get new learnings from the trend charts and things like that. Plus every Wednesday he's with you, and that's for lifetime. That's something really great. He's giving us this teaching for the lifetime. So you learn practical information about the day to day markets, whatever is happening. And then he tells you that how to check the charts, and how you check the trend line, what to do, how to invest. He has his Telegram channel, which is actually keeping you live with each and everything that is happening day on day, and that is really beautiful. No one takes, just takes your hand and go along with you. He's the guy who's actually doing it. So thank you so much, Mudit. You've been really helpful, and I hope that you will be staying with us like this forever, and guiding us with all your knowledge and all your information. So thanks again, Mudit, and have a wonderful day, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.